Hello, I am Marylyne Enonchong, and this is a video on the key lessons I learned from how to create a professional CV and resume by Bestech. Simply put, a resume is it's like a one-page CV with no need for, it's not used for academic purposes, mostly in the professional field. And I learned simply that it has 7 sections, which are a header. A header contains your name, address, your contact. It has the objective, which must be brief and precise. It has the list of all your schools that you've attended, that's your educational parcours, the skills that are grouped in relevant categories, the projects, that's the relevant projects you've had to do, the work experience and your previous positions and present as well. And lastly, the extracurricular activities, leadership positions, and awards you may have received. For the details, I will let you go ahead to watch the video by Bestech on YouTube. And well, it's Bestech, your best bet.